You have an amazing picture and wish you could make it move like magic? Well, today's your lucky day. I'm showing you how to use AI tools to turn any image into a video in just a few clicks. Trust me, this is going to be awesome. Tool 1. Runway. First up is Runway, a powerful AI tool designed for creators. It's super flexible and lets you animate images with just a few clicks. Start by visiting runway.ml and signing up for a free account. Once you're in, upload your image and choose the image to video option. Runway offers tons of creative options, like adding smooth transitions, zoom effects, or even animating your image to look like it's alive. After customizing, click Generate, and in seconds, you'll have a professional looking video. Runway is perfect for social media posts or creative projects, and its free plan offers plenty to get started. Tool number 2. Lumalabs.ai. Next is Lumalabs.ai, an AI tool focused on 3D and in-act and dynamic effects. To get started, head over to Lumalabs.ai and upload your image. Luma specializes in creating cinematic animations, so your images will look like they're straight out of a movie. For example, you can turn a landscape photo into a scene with moving clouds and flowing water. Choose from their presets or customize the effects to match your vision. It's super easy, and once you're done, download your video in high quality. Luma is great for storytelling or creating eye-catching visuals. Tool number 3. Pika.art. Last but not least is Pika.art, a tool made for adding artistic touches to your videos. Visit Pika.art, upload your image, and pick from their library of animated effects. Think glowing particles, dreamy transitions, or cartoon-like motion. It's all possible with Pika. Pika.art is perfect if you want your videos to feel fun and unique. After picking your effects, preview the animation and hit export. It's quick, free, and gives your images that extra wow factor. And there you have it. 3 amazing AI tools: Runway, Lumalabs.ai, and Pika.art to transform your still images into incredible videos. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.